Today we are going to make soft and juicy tandoori paneer tikka at home without tandoor, using tawa and on gas stove. That too in minutes. So let's start with the recipe. Firstly, to make the marinade, we need to take a bowl and 3 big tablespoons of curd, and make sure you always use a thick curd. And I'll be adding black pepper powder. Then squeeze half a lemon's juice. Add chaat masala and roasted jeera powder or cumin powder. Here I'll be adding Kashmiri red chili powder and the normal red chili powder, and then garam masala, and nicely hand crush the kasturi methi and add to the marinade. To this, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 tablespoons of besan or chickpeas flour. Now we take the tadka pan, and to the tadka pan I am using til oil. You can even use mustard oil. The main purpose of taking this kind of oil is to bring the oil to the smoking point, and that gives the perfect tandoori flavor to our paneer tikka. Now oil has come to the smoking point, and you can see it's smoking well. After it comes to the smoking, then you off this gas and pour this oil to the batter and nicely mix the marinade together. After mixing, do add salt and mix it well. And nicely mix, and then check the taste of your marinade at this point of time before adding the paneer to the marinade. So now marinade, we are adding paneer, onion and green pepper cut in big cubes. So add the paneer slowly to the marinade. Because the paneer is very soft, there are chances that the paneer may break. But the beauty of the dish is when the paneer looks whole and full. So when you are mixing also, mix very gently. If you are not comfortable mixing with the spoon, you can mix it with your hand also. But make sure none of your paneer breaks and it is retaining its shape. So once we mix all the pieces of paneer well, paneer is so juicy and soft that it will absorb all the moisture from the marinade. So it's always good to keep the paneer marinated for a long time. So you can marinate and keep it for 4 to 6 hours also. Here this paneer I have cooked after 4 to 6 hours only. The more you keep the paneer in the marinade, it will be more juicy and more soft. After 4 to 6 hours, your paneer will be looking something like this. So let's start cooking. First I'll show you how to cook it on tawa. First let's apply some butter on our non-stick tawa. Here I am using non-stick tawa so that the paneer doesn't stick on the tawa, and we can turn it very easily. And the extra butter will help in cooking, and it gives a nice flavor to our paneer. So just place the paneer on the medium flame tawa. Place the paneer and the onion and the capsicum one by one, and let it cook for 1 minute up to maximum of 2 minutes on either sides. Nowadays when you buy paneer tikka from restaurant, people add extra coloring agent so that it gives a nice color, but here I have used only Kashmiri red chili powder, which will give us the desired color, and it is very mildly spiced, so it will give a nice flavor also to our paneer tikka. after 1.5 to 2 minutes, just turn and flip it to the other side. Let the other side also be cooked. Now you can see one side has nice color. It looks like a tandoor cooked paneer tikka. To make a perfect paneer tikka, first and most important thing is that it should not be cooked for a very long time. It should be cooked only for maximum 1 to 2 minutes on either side, which will result in very soft paneer tikka. So you can see how easily paneer tikka is made on the tawa, and it looks like a restaurant style paneer tikka, and it is easily made in minutes. So now you can make this paneer tikka. You can always marinate and cook this paneer at least for a week. You can keep it in the fridge, and then when you want to use it, you can heat it on the pan. I'll show you one more method of making tandoori paneer tikka, that's on gas. So for that, first we need a rod like this. This is easily available in the market nowadays. It's called tandoori stick or grill stick, or it is even known as kebab sticks. And whenever you buy such sticks, always buy a metallic one. So before starting with the recipe, we'll take a baby potato and cut it into half and place it in the stick first. So you must be wondering, why am I placing the potato in it? I'm placing a potato in the stick first so that the paneer doesn't move ahead and it has a stop. So these potatoes act as a stopper. Then place one by one. Start with green pepper and onion and paneer. Stack it in such a way that green pepper, onion and paneer are stacked on top of each other. Stack at least 4 to 5 pieces of paneer in a stick. After you finish stacking one by one, alternating paneer, onion and tomato, you need to close the last piece of paneer also with the potato. This potato also prevents breaking of the paneer, and it helps the paneer to retain its shape. When you cook the paneer on the flame, always cook it on a high flame so that it gives a nice charred effect on the paneer. It will have a nice tandoori look when you cook the paneer directly on the stove. Make sure you rotate the stick in all the directions, and within 1 minute or 2 minutes our tandoori paneer on the stove top is also ready. By looking at this beautifully charred paneer, nobody can even say that it is not restaurant brought. So now let's transfer it to a serving tray. So friends, I hope you liked today's video. In this video, I have showed you the 2 methods of making tandoori paneer, one on tawa and second on gas top. If you have liked today's recipe, please click the thumbs up button and share it with your friends and family. And friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel still, please click the red subscribe button. The small red button and hit the bell icon and enable all the notifications for my future recipes. Thank you for watching and bye till we meet next time.